So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today we're going to be doing a review of the products from an Indian brand called as Soft Lenses. So ever since I posted my TTD eye lenses review, everyone has been asking me for a couple of good lens suggestions from Indian brands and those which are available in India and which are affordable. So we're going to be talking about two of Soft Lenses today, and one is UV green and the other one is sky blue. So let's start off with our review. So when you get these lenses, they come in these small vials which are like glass bottles and you have to break the seal. I love this concept of, like putting it into a bottle because this is a lot more easier and it's a lot more safer, to like use contact lenses than a blister packaging. So that is something which I love about these. So I have been trying and testing these lenses out for about a month, and I would say that these are extremely soft, they're very thin and they're very comfortable to wear. So one of the most common problems which you notice with contact lenses is that when you wear it for a very prolonged duration of time, like around like 8 hours, 12 hours, it starts to get a little dry on your eyes and you start finding it a little uncomfortable and itchy and you just feel like taking off your lenses. So that did not happen with these, which is a great thing in my opinion. So the brand claims that these can be used up to 400 times over a span of 4 years, which I think in my opinion is a great time of usage of your lenses, provided that you maintain and you take care of your lenses. They also come up with their own contact lens solution, which is like really helpful, and these are like 60 ml. So these are great for traveling and for just something that you want to carry in your kit on a day-to-day basis. So all of the lenses from Soft Lenses do come with their own cases, which is a great thing because you don't have to go around finding a separate case for every single pair of lens that you buy. So moving on to how the texture of the lens felt like compared to a lot of other brands I've tried, I'd say that these are like extremely thin, they're very soft, they're very comfortable on the eye. I didn't have any type of itching, and like once you put it on, you're done. You don't really have to move it, adjust it, none of that stuff. So, and also another thing which I noticed is that this one sticks like much more easier into my eyes. So usually when you use lenses, sometimes it just, sometimes it just doesn't sit on your eye. So that did not happen with these lenses. So it just goes in the first go and you can take it off super easy. You don't really have to like drag and pinch and squeeze. So it's just a very small motion and then it comes off super easy. So my lenses are at zero power, but if you have power, they do make it with a prescription, which is a great thing. So we're done with our short review and let's move on to the lenses. So I hope you guys enjoyed the try on and let me know which was your favorite shade. Mine was definitely the UV green, and that is just mostly because of the pattern. Like I found the pattern to be like really unique and it just looks so natural, and yet it still looks, I don't know, like I just don't know how to describe that lenses. It just looks really beautiful, the pattern and the print and the color of it. So if you guys want to try it out, do try out UV green. It looks beautiful. It would suit our Indian complexion too. So let me know your favorite shade down in the description bar below, and make sure you check out my other tutorials and videos. So if you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll catch up with you guys for another one. Until next time, bye.